Happy St. Patty's Day. In case you forgot that today is the day to salute all things Irish, no worries, because we have a couple quick as a wink ideas that are easy, fun, and simply delicious. What if I told you you could make these shortbread cookies from scratch using only 5 ingredients? Well, you can. And when we top these with an off-the-shelf frosting that we accented with a bit of green food coloring, are we ever in for an Irish treat? And to wash them down, let me show you how to make a simple Irish milkshake that is leprechaun approved. All we do is add a good amount of vanilla ice cream and some milk to a blender. And to give it lots of its minty taste, we add a few chocolate-covered mint patties along with a couple of drops of green food coloring. We give that a whirl, and in seconds, we have a super rich shake that is ready to serve. Let me tell you, this goes great with our homemade cookies. So since it's already St. Patty's Day, you better go online right now and get the recipes for our shamrock shortbread and Irish milkshake. This way, you'll be armed with everything you need to celebrate tonight or anytime you want some tasty treats. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a lucky way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You got your own straw.
Yep, delicious.